Welcome everyone. So in this series of video we are going to discuss about how to use supporting reference in Financial Accounting Hub. In the last two videos we discussed the business scenario. We took a fictitious business scenario to explain how supporting references can be used, and in the second video we discussed the related configuration, uh, the data file. We imported the data file to application and created the accounting. So let's proceed further. So the file which we uploaded, it got accounted here, and now let us see. Our main target was to business requirement was that if tomorrow I want to check what is the receivable, what is the balance for, let us say, customer number 10, I should be able to know. Now as this is not, this element is not part of GL chart of account segment, so in GL we cannot get it. So how to do that? And to map that requirement, we use supporting reference. So how a business can utilize this mapping, let us see that. Now to understand how we can utilize this information, we need to go to the OTBI and we can generate the custom report based on the uh, supporting references. So I've already designed one custom report. So I will not go into the design of the custom report, rather I will directly show you the report. So let me go to the catalog. Oh sorry, I was there only. Okay, okay, let's go back to catalog. This is the report and analytics work area. Here I have defined one report, AHC supporting reference, so we can run that. So I have parameterized this report. So I'm not going to discuss the how the report has been developed. It's a quite self-service kind of thing, so that we can check. So now what if I want to check the balance? So it will give me all the different elements based on which we are tracking the balance. So let us say I want to see the balance with the customer 20, right? So we can select the customer 20 here, and that will give me the updated balance here. 115,000. That's a debit balance, and we can see that was the balance, I think, to the customer 20, if I'm not wrong. Yes, this was the receivable balance. Now just want to understand here, we have to optimize the number of fields what we got for the balancing. So supporting balances which contains the balance, uh, there are two options: supporting reference with balance, supporting reference without balance. So at maximum we can use 30 values for the supporting reference with balance. And so just if you can remember, we mapped both the customer segment as well as the product segment to the same supporting reference. So now if you want to see the revenue generated by the product, we can use the same report. And we can select here, let's say product 10, assume we want to see the revenue by that. So it's 145,000. I think that was what the, yes. So this is how we can use the supporting references. The broad point which I wanted to explain here, that in which cases we should use the supporting references and how we can use this, utilize this feature in our financial accounting hub module. So there can be different scenarios, but just to explain the utility of that, I took one fictitious business example and explained it. I hope this was a useful video. In the next series of videos, we are going to discuss the reconciliation reference. So till then, bye, and thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.